Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Phonology. This chapter is about phonology, that is the study of the function patterning of sound. Phonology attempts to make explicit formal statement about the sound patterns of individual language in order to discover something about linguistic knowledge that people must have in order to use these patterns. Phonology is about the underlying design, the blueprint of each sound type, which serve as the concept basis of the variation in different physical articulation of the sound type in different contexts. Considered from this point of view, we can see that phonology is concrete with the abstract of sound in language that allow us to distinguish meaning in the actual physical sound we say and hear. Phoneme. Each one to this meaning distinguishes sound in language are described as phone. When we learn to use alphabetic writing, we are actually using the concept of the phoneme as the single stable sound type, which is represented by a single writing symbol. If we substitute one sound for another in a word and there is change of meaning, then the two sounds represent different phonemes, phones and allophones. Phones are not physical sound; they are abstract mental representation of the phonological units of a language. Phones are considered to be any single speech sound of which phonemes are made. Phonemes are a family of phones regarded as a single sound and represented by the same symbol. The different phones that are realizations of the phoneme are called allophones of that phoneme. Syllables. Syllables are made of phoneme, and syllable is the basic unit of English pronunciation. Normally, a syllable is produced a single pulse of breath. A syllable must contain a vowel for vowel-like sound, including diphthong. Consonant cluster. Consonant clusters, that is a group consonant without vowel sound between them, do exist in some language. English has a lot of consonant clusters as in the case of strange above. However, other languages such as Indonesian and Japanese may have few or no consonant cluster. Learner of a language Learner of English as a French language may encounter learning problem with respect to the existence of consonant cluster when their language is taught once. The combination ST in consonant cluster CC used as concept in the word stop and as pseudo in the word pause. Word stress. Word stress. In a word from the one syllable, it must pronounce with one syllable more greatly stressed than the rest. This phenomenon is called word stress. Learners of language aspirants language EVL may find it difficult to decide which syllable in a word that must be stressed. Word stress is significant in that is important to meaning in other words. Weak and strong from. At sentence level, weak and strong from should be paid attention to. Observe the following examples with weak from indicate as underlined and strong from above. Words that undergo weak and strong from are those structural words as such as auxiliary, modal verb, preposition, article, and other structural elements.